Hi and hello fellow RC people, and thanks for stopping by at my channel. Today is another episode of Look What the Postman has brought me. And the first package today is this from Elephant, one of the biggest RC shops in Norway. And this is something I need to get one of my biggest projects going. Yeah, you guessed right. It's this one. I'm so looking forward to have fun with this. So let's open this one and see what it is. And hobby wing Max 6 ESC 160 amp, best for 1.6. okay, this is 1.8. yeah, I guess it should work. And this one I need because I have ordered a motor as well that needs a good ESC, and I'm wanting to run the car on 6 cells LiPo, so hopefully this one will work as good as I think. But let's see if there's something more. Yeah, it's the Sky RC GPS. Finally, I have my own GPS, so I can do some speed runs, and not speed runs, but I can see also how fast my cars are. I think that's quite fun. So I guess I could use this on my real car as well to test the odometer and see if it's okay, or speedometer, I'm not sure what it's called. This one is quite light, so let's see what it is. It's from UK. It's actually a new body shell for the Kyosho Zaboon. I don't know why I say Zaboon, but just fun to say it. Zaboon, I'm not sure. So it's a new body shell for it. It's gonna be quite hard because the original body shell has not decals like flames, but it's like paint. So I'm not quite sure how I will do that. And the decals, which mostly is the one saying Zaboon, is not that easy to find. So I'm not really sure how to do this. But okay, we got a new body shell. Next up, just delivered at the door from FedEx. This one is from China. So let's see. And what is this? It says TP. Guess some of you know what that is. I could say it's for this project. It's a new motor from TP, and this one is for 6 cells, and it got 3770 kVs. Oh boy. I'm speechless. This is gonna be so awesome. Ooh. I need to get my I need to get this project finished so I can go out driving this one. It's gonna be awesome. Really, really, really awesome. Okay, I got 2 more packages. Just gonna do it quick and dirty and do it like this, and we'll open and see. Start with that one. Yes, so this is the Zaboon ball bearings kit. So then I have got everything I ordered for that one. I got the kit, I got the bumper, and I got the new body. So yeah, then I can do a light restoration of that one. Okay, over to the next one. This one is from Norway, so let's have a look. Yeah. This one is a pinion for the motor for the TRF801XT project. So yeah. Okay, got another package from UK from Lee. So let's see. Yes, it's 2 sets of the new gears for the Top-Force. It's supposed to be stronger and better to use, so really looking forward to trying this one. So if you want some of these, contact Lee Broadhurst. He's in the Tamiya Legend Facebook group, amongst other. Okay, last minute call. We got this one from the UK. So let's see. And it's a carbon fiber sheet. And look at this. It's a 5mm carbon fiber sheet. So I can't even. I don't think I can't even bend it at all. So this one I'm thinking of using in the 801X project, so we'll see if I can use it. If not, I do have some really good carbon fiber to make damper towers maybe, so we'll see. Thank you for watching. If you want to see this one in action, or the body paint, the body shell for the Zaboon painted, or the Zaboon fixed, just subscribe to my channel, please. It's highly motivating to go on and do this even more. And if you subscribe, please consider hitting the notification bell to get the update of all of these videos when they come. Until then, take care, stay safe, and have fun.